Hi, this is Dr. Hitesh Bhatia. I am heading the School of Business and Law, and I'm here to talk about the Coach project, the Winter School Coach project that we are offering to the students from across the domain and specialization at Navratna University. So, as you know that India is one of the fastest growing economy today. Probably we would be soon the third largest economy in the world, and the rate at which the employment opportunities, the income opportunities are increasing is really very fast, and we are the center of global concentration also. As a university, we strongly believe that it is our responsibility to see that our students not only are part of this journey towards the growth and development of Indian economy, but at the same time, we want our students to be more sensitive towards the problems and the issues of the society. The reason is that in this journey, in this fast-paced journey towards the growth and development, there is a big section of society which is still deprived of basic necessities, deprived of basic facilities, and this section of society is still not into the mainstream path of the development opportunities that are available to maximum people in this country, that we know that. So when we are grooming these potential future managers, future architects, future engineers and scientists, we also want that these students should be more sensitive towards the issues and problems of this deprivation. Not that they would be able to resolve and solve all of these problems, but this is our modest attempt to bring them close to witness the fact that the mainstream benefits are still not reachable to a section of society. So this social immersion project, which is called Coach, a Coach project, which is a mandatory project for all the students in Navratna University across the discipline that they are studying in. It's a winter school, it's a winter project that they do in the month of December. And as a School of Business and Law, from where I come in, this time we are offering 7 projects. And it's a cluster, so almost all the projects are serving towards the conditions of unorganized sector workers. So the vendors, the roadside vendors, the housemates, the domestic employees, similarly related to shopkeepers, the single shopkeepers. So these are self-employed, but still in the lower section of society. These are workers which are not organized in a technical sense, and they are working on day-to-day wages almost. So their earning is very vulnerable towards lot of factors, lot of conditions. So what we are doing is that the students so each group has a mix of the students who come from different disciplines, mentored by a faculty, and they are trying to first understand the condition of that particular group. Say for example, a roadside vendor, or for example, shopkeepers, or for example, the maid servants, and understand their employment and income status, the frequency of the employment, the frequency of the income, and secondly, also understand that what are the benefits or what are the advantages that they are receiving from the government under various schemes. As we know that government has been very proactive in the last decade to offer a lot of scheme for the unorganized sector workers. But the problem that we are identifying then is that the awareness. In most of the cases, these sections of society are still not fully aware about these benefits. One, that they are not aware. Second, if they are aware, they don't know how to claim or how to obtain these benefits. What are the documentations to be done? What are the processes to be followed? And the third is the inclination, whether they want to do it or not. What is the motivation of giving their data to the government and then waiting and seeking the benefits from them. So there are a variety of issues which are being highlighted in this whole scenario. So that is our core objective. And through this mix expertise of the student who come from science, engineering, management, legal domain, we are trying to offer them some kind of motivation and some kind of a process flow, that how they can connect to these government schemes, whether they have to go to a government department, or whether they have to go to a bank, or whether they have to go to an insurance company. So that is the whole objective and the framework of this entire project. By the end of the project, there are 2 benefits. One, that of course the students will come to know that how to protect, what are the social security net, what are the schemes, what are the health insurance, what are the pension schemes, and what are the financial inclusion schemes which are available to these sections of society. And also the respondents, there is a lot of possibilities that when the student go and speak to these people, they listen, they give value to somebody coming from university and somebody which is so young and not from their section of society, but they take it very seriously. They assume कि ये पढ़ा लिखा लड़का है आके कुछ बता रहा है तो ये काम की चीज़ है. So that kind of positivity we have seen. So we are hopeful that this short project will serve its purpose in the long run.